How to fix Facebook missing video icon. After all, this is very necessity of Facebook. First, open your Facebook app. After then, you see this option, top right corner, your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. When you tap profile icon, you also see this option, phone setting. Tap on here. Scroll down and see this option, tap bar. Tap on here. After then, you find customize the bar. Tap on here. Scroll down and see this option, the video or reels hidden. Tap on it. Next, select pin option, top pin. After, minimize this option and go home page. After then, refresh your account and next login. You will see and find this option, your video icon. Thanks for watching this video.